Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Saker Twister Arm Trainer review. So, if you're trying to upgrade your home workouts without cluttering your space, now you might have run across the Saker Twister Arm Trainer. Now, what is exactly this device here? So what is the Saker Twister Arm Trainer? Now, the Saker Twister Arm Trainer here, often called the U-Shape Power Twister, is a compact, portable resistance exercise device designed for high-intensity upper body workouts. Unlike giant home resistant exercise devices designed for high intensity upper body workouts, now, basically, or those gym machines here, it relies on a heavy duty mechanical spring system. Now, it is specifically built for squeezing, pressing, and bending movements that target your chest, shoulder, biceps, forearms, and core stabilizers. Now, what does the equipment offer? Now, according to official product specifications and also some information about their website, this workout bar packs several key functional features. First is adjustable resistance here. So the bar features multi-level mechanical settings ranging from 40 pounds to 400 pounds of resistance. Now you can adjust the tension as you get stronger here, making it great for both beginners and athletes. And they do have an ergonomic safety design. Now, the design strength steel spring core is fully enclosed in a durable outer leather sleeve. So, this prevents the metal from pinching your skin or your hair during tight bends. And it also has a non-slip grip. Now, the handles are wrapped in thickened sweat resistant NBR foam. So this gives you a secure, comfortable grip when or even when your hands get sweaty mid routine. And they do offer a detachable portability. So the bar features a modular design that easily breaks down, so allowing you to throw it in a travel bag for quick workouts in your office or your hotel room. Now, what about the pricing and package here? Now, you can find the authentic Saker Twister across various online storefronts and even different websites. Now, a single trainer kit here typically retails around $25 to $39.99, but this totally depends on where you're buying it and on the season. Now, sometimes it's going to be a lot cheaper or it would cost more. Again, depending on when you are buying this. Now, for bundle options, online brand stores occasionally offer fitness bundles that includes localized training guides and storage gear. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.